Alright everyone, welcome to today's charting session. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, what we do here is we typically look at yung mga trending names and we get those from the list provided by Instagrams. You usually see that on the right hand side of your screen, or we take chart requests, or we do a combination of both. And today's no different. We'll be doing a little bit of a combination, although our primary focus will be on those trending names. Some of you, baka nasanay na sa Thursday, usually we release 2 videos, no? One of which is this, yung daily charting session, and the other one is yung weekly market overview. I've decided to shift things around a little bit. So the weekly market overview will come on Fridays instead. Tapos yung daily charting session for Friday will be released on the weekend. Kasi napansin ko rin, usually after the market closes on Fridays, pagod na rin yung mga tao, they want to take a break from the market, totally understandable. So we'll just do that over the weekend para mas refresh na rin kayo and you can approach the video and the market with a better mindset. Okay? So let's start, no? Let's start with PCOR, Petron. So the last time we looked at PCOR, we said it was consolidating at the highs around this area. Bakit yung area na yan na-identify? Kasi yan yung consolidation here prior to the breakdown. So, dyan din yung unang naka-encounter ng solid resistance yung price. Okay? Then, from there, we just broke through itong resistance level na to. Itong highs from here. So, essentially, double top dito. Wala, no? Hindi man lang nag-hold. It just broke through and we tagged the next level of resistance at 4.05, which is where we're lying at right now. Nauuntog tayo dito, it's holding as resistance. And what we want to see for maintained bullishness is syempre, number 1, to just break above it. Then next resistance level at 4.17, then 4.27. Ang isa pang pwedeng mangyari is baka maging parang ganito, mag-consolidate tayo sandali sa highs. Then use that as a possible base to push higher. So that's something to watch out for. The other thing is it could flag a bit from here. Diba? It could flag a bit like so. Then maybe look for potential entries kapag ka nag-breakout na from that flag. Assuming kung nag-flag, hindi siya mag-breakdown altogether. What we don't want to see now, if we're bullish Petron, is for price to break down. Okay? Break beneath these lows, break below this white zone. Pag ganon, I think that pretty much ruins yung momentum na nag-build up, no? Pagka nakain to, nag-break below no white zone, parang medyo dehado na. Yes, there's still that area of consolidation from here, but parang ang lalim bigla ng linubog. Okay lang sana kung sandali lang, as in parang pipitikan lang, pero kung talagang bumababa lang na bumababa, parang yung sa mga MONDE, ganun, baka hindi na siya maganda at the time. So, we'll keep an eye on this together and be sure to monitor kung ano yung nangyayari sa PCOR. I know the last time that we posted a video on PCOR, may mga nag-comment na meron silang PCOR, and I just wanted to say congratulations to all of you. Diba? Tumaas na, no? So I'm sure marami kayong kinita. Just be sure to trail your stops and maintain your discipline para kung sakali man na nangyari ang ayaw nating mangyari, hindi natin maibabalik sa market yung kinita natin. Okay? Next, let's take a quick look at TECHW. So yung TECHW, so nag-bearish siya, no? Bumagsak siya tuloy-tuloy. 'Di ba? Nag-conso tayo dito sandali, then we plunge further. So hindi nakakagulat na nung nag-bounce, and it will always bounce, hindi naman isang direction lang 'yan eh. Nung umangat ang price, dito tayo nauntog sa area na to where there are wicks, 'di ba? Mga wicks where it was previously support. So di nakakagulat na itong area na to is now acting as resistance. Now, if we want, napasobra yung pindot. If we want to see TECHW be more bullish, then I think what needs to happen, number 1 is ma-break tong white area na to. Then for price to start holding above that. Then we can assess from there kung mukha bang may leg siya to possibly push higher. Because what that does is it opens up this area again for price to possibly trade in. However, kung nag-reject tayo dito, tuluyan na, break beneath this low, then probably we come back to test tong mga nag-wick na to or even all the way down sa piso kung saan siya nag-open before. Okay? So, mahirap pa, no? Buying here, parang hindi maganda yung proposition just because risk-reward won't be great. Diba? Yes, maybe it will break out, pero hindi pa tayo sure dun eh. Baka eto na nga yung ceiling niya, mauntog, tas bumaba. So, konting ingat lang. Okay? It's not looking great just yet. Baka kailangan pa ng konting patience, kailangan pa ng konting hintay. Kapag gumanda na yung chart, then it's something that we can come back to and look at again. Next, let's take a quick look at AP, no? So, AP, last time na mention ko that I wanted to see it trade above itong 32.5 na area sana as a possible start na baka i-reclaim na niya yung bullish momentum. Kasi, di ba, ang nangyari nun was we were pushing higher, biglang kinain to eh, di ba? Itong buong leg na to, kinain. So, ngayon, bumalik tayo dito sa area of consolidation na to, nag-act as support, tapos we're wedging higher. So, possible din na it could wedge higher, tas mauntog lang, so bumagsak from there. That's not what we want to see. Diba? Ideally, what would happen is, if we do break this, medyo masira din yung wedge, we start possibly consolidating around here, then use that as a base to possibly go back and retag 35.9 na resistance, or at least itong high man lang na to. Diba? Or, syempre, yung favorite ng lahat is talagang mag-breakout lang, tuloy-tuloy na. Diba? Ang ayaw nating makita, number one, is yung sinasabi ko kanina, is if magpatuloy itong parang wedge na to, we start breaking below it, it holds, push lower, then baka yun na yung senyales na tapos na yung move for the meantime ng AP, no? And baka it might seek lower levels to find support in. Okay? Honestly, right now, I want to say na it's kinda looking a bit more bullish, pero it's just not there yet. Hindi pa hinog eh. Diba? Hindi pa siya hinog eh. Yes, it's moving higher, but I still really want to see it trade above tong 32.5 and start holding above it. Okay? But that's just me, ha? Of course, kung gusto nyo bumili, pera niya yan, your decision, diba? Your choice. Kung kumita, sa inyo ang kita. Pagka hindi, well, sa inyo rin yung hindi. Okay? I just like to use this time again, guys, to remind you na if you like what you watch, what you see, if may natututunan naman kayo sa mga videos natin, if you find it educational or helpful or even mildly entertaining, then I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It's one of the few ways kasi for me to assess din kung talaga nga bang nakakatulong itong mga videos na to sa inyo. Okay, kasi yun naman yung goal, is makatulong. And syempre, if you want to share it with your family and friends, then by all means, please go ahead and do so. No? Moving on, let's take a quick look at SCC. So SCC, umangat yung price, hindi tayo nagtag dun sa 31 pesos na resistance sa drawing natin before, no? Medyo bumitin ng konti. Okay, tapos from there, nag-roll over, tapos nag-gap down. Nag-gap down to find support dito sa 27.15 na drawing natin na level din from before. Okay? Now, from there, we want to see what price starts doing na. If this support level can hold, tapos we start pushing higher, fill this gap, push higher, then maybe we're on our way to break 31. However, kung kunwari, we start trading firmly beneath tong 27.15, then that opens up this range hanggang 25.3. And if we break that too, then that opens up this range hanggang 22.6 possibly. Let's not get ahead of ourselves and, imagine doomsday scenarios na hanggang 19 na kaagad or something. Let's take it one step at a time. We just want to see what price does from here. Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna push higher? Or will this break and will it start holding beneath it, opening up lower trading ranges for price to trade in? So bantayan lang natin to. Right now, all we can say for sure is price moved up, bumalik, nag-retrace. Yes, may mga gaps. Yes, it's not what you wanna see. But mas important yung structure overall than yung mga gaps. Mas important yung structural overall than one bearish or bullish candle. Diba? So, panoorin lang natin what it does from here. So, we've detailed out possible scenarios naman. Let's just watch out for that. Yung mga may hawak ng SCC, first of all, congratulations. Malaki yung kinita nyo lahat. So, pa-burger naman, no? But, be sure lang to trail your stops accordingly. Okay? Maintain yung discipline. Huwag natin ibalik yung kinita natin sa market. Okay? Kapag na-hit na ang trail stop natin, whatever that trail stop is, depending on whatever system you use, be sure to honor it lang. Okay? And then finally, let's take a quick look at MONDE. So, yung MONDE, ang laki ng binaksak, no? So, alam ko around this area, nagsasabi na may maraming magbebenta ng shares and talagang nagbenta nga. Maraming nga nagbenta. I'm sure hindi lang yung taong yon or yung institution na yon. Maraming nagbenta, nag-collapse yung ano. And it's not looking like, kumbaga, it's not looking as bullish as it once was in the sense na yung pag-form ng trend. Yes, in the long run, possible na, kunyari, tinignan mo ito sa weekly, possible na isang dip lang yan in the bigger picture. Tapos, in the future, parang, wala, nagdaan lang. But for now, okay, in the short term, what happened was we collapsed beneath this area of consolidation here, came back, and now we're using that again as resistance. Diba? What you want to see from here, kung you're one na gusto mong makita na magpatuloy yung bullish trend ng MONDE, for me, I wanted to take 17.5 ulit to start trading above this area here to open up na yung possibility na hanggang 19.8, 19.9 na area. Okay? If, let's say, na mag-hold tong white zone na to as resistance, tapos mag-push down, mag-break nitong low na to, then highly likely we retest 14.42 or maybe itong lower end of the spectrum pa around 14.3. Then if that breaks, then we come back kung saan nagsimula ang lahat. Okay? So, I'm sure naman, nagpaalala rin tayo na dapat nag-trail stop kayo dito, and I'm almost sure na for most people na hit na yung trail stop nyo sa MONDE. So, congratulations sa lahat ng kumita sa MONDE. Ngayon, kung naipit for one reason or another, we've laid out yung mga potential scenarios to watch out for. Just be sure lang na kung sakali man na isa kayo doon, sundan nyo lang yung plano na linatag nyo para hindi lalong lumalim or sumama yung situation kung sakali man na nandun kayo. Okay? So that's it for this video, guys, no? As always, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!